Spot World, it's your boy App. Today we got Yoko off of Lil Uzi's EP, Maverick Almost Forever. Let's get into it.
I was on slow-mo, went on a drill on my dolo. My jury all relying Ocho. Throw up the rock like it's promo. I'm really the rock, this ain't promo. Got a gun in my boot like it's polo. I hope GT don't leave Yoko. I'm so fresh, you just like hobo. Get to that bands on my cellar. Went on a drill on my dolo. My jury all relying Ocho. Throw up the rock like it's promo. I'm really the rock, this ain't promo. Got a gun in my boot like it's polo. I hope GT don't leave Yoko. I'm so fresh, you just like hobo. Get to that bands on my cellar.
Yes, that hook was, wow. It's just chill. It's just chill. It makes me feel good. It makes me feel cool. Like, this is an anytime vibe for real. This is an anytime vibe. The 808 on this, I'm not really feeling 100%, but I'm enjoying the snares. I'm enjoying the hats. I like the percussion. The 808 kind of just like, it's not my favorite.
Get to that bands on my cellar. Can I pay yacht, that's a buttload. Get to that bands on my cellar. Can I pay yacht, that's a buttload. Open my door so a buck. If it wasn't just in New York, that'd be unknown. My Glock with a switch, it came with like 4, so I shot at him once. That boy, he said, oh no. My DC bitch, yeah, she just work at the go-go. I'm devious, sticking her down like a porno. I got my gun, I don't care who behind me. And Southwest, I used to be neighbor with Bonji. My first white girl, I swear her name was just Golly. That drum on that, yeah. This bitch like a Tommy. This time I'm rapping, baby, like I'm out of here. I'm trying to rap them babies, get them out of here. ET, they wrap me up, I am not from this sphere. Most of my drugs, they come from Northern Hemisphere. Whoa! My bitch, she's in hell. Pulled out her panties, her pussy got scales. 2012, bitch, I'm rocking black scales. Poured up a 6s, ain't tricks on the scale. This little dirty cup got me feeling betrayal. This little dirty cup got me feeling betrayal. 50 on got like a pot with a rail. One of my shooter, I got paint on here now. One of my shooter, he feeling betrayal. This little dirty cup got me feeling betrayal. This little dirty cup got me feeling betrayal. 50 on got like a pot with a rail.
Yo, this song really got me in a trance right now because, first of all, it feels like Uzi vocals is pitched up a little bit, but the sound just sounds so good. He was flowing on that verse immaculately. I'm like, yo, oh my God. I'm like going to close my eyes for the rest of this listen and really just get into this shit. I wish I could pour up right now. I ain't gonna lie. Shit, this shit probably hit so different. This whole tape probably hit so different to pour up a little bit. But you know what? I'll just drink some water. If you're with me on this journey right now, just drink some water, okay? Drink some water, take a deep breath. Let's get back into it.
Get to that bands on my cellar. Get to that bands on my cellar. Went on a drill on my dolo. My jury all relying Ocho. Throw up the rock like it's promo. I'm really the rock, this ain't promo. Got a gun in my boot like it's polo. I hope GT don't leave Yoko. I'm so fresh, you just like hobo. Get to that bands on my cellar.
I love this right here.
Get to that bands on my cellar.
I really enjoy how we got that glitchy little part at the end. Ooh, I just love when artists at the end of the song, at the beginning of the song, they do something a little different with the vocals or the beat. So that right there, it just adds to the song. It makes it additive. The song at the end anyway, get a little experimental, get a little creative. That's it. This song very chill. Yoko, what is Yoko exactly? I hope JT don't think that she Yoko. Yoko, like who Yoko? Like Yoko Ono? She's an artist herself. She was with one of the Beatles, John Lennon, I think. Tap into the top 308 playlist on this channel. Your horizons will broaden. Trust me. Did I plug the song into the record review? I'm giving it a 4.6 out of 5 stars. Stamp it. We halfway through. This don't feel like a hit right here, but it don't gotta feel like a hit to be a very good song. And I feel like Uzi, he bringing us very good songs. He's putting very good songs on the table right now, and that's what we like. That's what we enjoy. If you made it here, hit that like, hit that sub. Make sure to tap in with the rest of the reactions on the channel. It's always a variety, so please come and enjoy. I'll see you next time.